Hello friend, this is Amul Jain and welcoming you again on your favorite YouTube channel On-Way Mechanic. So have you ever wondered of a scooter that attract youngster more than a sport bike? What if I say any scooter which gives you the feel of riding a motorcycle? Friends, so this is not a fiction anymore. So let me introduce to you all the fastest Indian scooter TVS NTORQ 125. It holds the title of being India's first scooter with Bluetooth connectivity and race-tuned fuel injection. Now, this amazing machine from India's third largest two-wheeler manufacturer carries BS6 compliant single-cylinder 4-stroke 125cc engine which generates the maximum power of 9.25 bhp and maximum torque of 10.5 Nm. Starting from its exterior feature, its bodywork has been inspired by stealth aircraft design with the aggressive streamline in front and afterburner at the rear. However, the power of this BS6 compliant is little bit less than BS4 model, but the torque remains the same. With a race-tuned fuel injection system, this machine can get the well-refined throttle just like any other sport bike. It can easily cruise through the urban road and can reach up to the maximum speed of 95 km per hour. And because of BS6 compliance, it produces quite less noise, vibration and harshness as it compared to its BS4 model. Now talking about its rideability, comfort and safety, it has got a quite unique rear suspension, not the twin suspension but a coil spring with hydraulics damper monoshock. That is two only on the left side and on the front, usually telescopic suspension with hydraulic dampers. Its riding position is upright which gives you a comfortable ride and control while cruising through the urban roads. With a least turning radius, you can easily go zip zap zoom through the narrow Indian streets which are always burdened with heavy traffic. Talk about the safety features. When you fly your NTORQ just like an aircraft, you will get a high speed alert to control your horses with an amazing 220 mm roto-petal disc brakes. In addition, you will get the parking brake so that you can park your NTORQ on the gentle slopes. With a convenient dual steering lock, you can lock the handlebars on the either side. Convenience may be considered as the sole motive of producing NTORQ. It has external fuel lid, 22 liter of under-seat storage, USB charger with LED, engine quill switch, the last park location assist, pass switch and whatnot. Its smart display has so many features that it needs another video to be discussed thoroughly. It possesses low fuel indicator, reserve fuel display, Bluetooth connectivity which can help you to get the alert regarding your call and messages, navigation assist, engine temperature indicator, ride states and inbuilt lap timer. Now coming back to its specification, it comes with the T-shaped white LED DRL at the front which only come in the race edition. Now if we talk about its tire, basically it is tubeless 10/80 R12 tires which comes both at the front and the rear. In the race edition, you will get some checkered flag both on the front and the back, and also the 3D logo which gives very stunning look with dual stretching on the seat and comes with a very unique and rare TVS racing badge. Although with a ground clearance of 155 mm you have to be a little careful on rough roads. Talking about its mileage, which is around 42 km per liter. So with fuel tank capacity of 5.8 liter, which is 0.8 liter more than its BS4 model. You can easily go around 180 to 220 km in a stretch. But if we do ride economically and in a uniform manner, you will get the mileage in a range of 50 to 56 km per liter. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do like, share with your friends and hit the subscribe button so you will never miss the notification from On-Way Mechanic. And I am Amulya Jain signing off.